The easiest way to create mental breathing room when you're on the spot is what's called the 10-second trick. Just ask a clarifying question. It sounds simple, but it can turn a rushed, panicked moment into a calm and deliberate response. Most people, when surprised, either fill the space with up, or jump straight into an answer that feels scattered. A simple clarifying question flips the script. You look thoughtful instead of flustered. And the key is to have ready-to-use lines you can lean on. Examples coaches recommend include, could you clarify what specifically you want me to address? Or could you provide a bit more context on that? These questions achieve three things at once. They buy you about 10 seconds to breathe and gather your thoughts. And they show that you're actively listening, and they help surface what your audience actually cares about so you can zero in on it.